Okay, so we got a 93 60R 120 millimeter axle with double taper hubs. So double taper means it is thicker than the single taper. Typically it's going to have 12 bolts that hold the cast wheel on and the retainer, so less breakage. Axle housing, it's going to have the bigger bearing on the end. The housing itself in the gear set is the same as what I'm going to show you next, but this here has 18 bolts, so the housing, it's a little beefier, the differential housing. So if we go and look at the 14 bolt, this would be like a 90-30 series. Still has the wide casting. You can still get the 10 or the 12 in the double taper. You just have a smaller bearing, smaller axle shaft. So depending on what your application is, if you're braking axles, you may go to the 120. If you're braking wedges, you can just go up to the double taper. So lots of options to, if you've got a 110, say a 9420, excuse me, 9400, or even up through the 9R, they could have 110s on them. Based on what your machine, different upgrades, but we can upgrade all of them. So if it's a machine you want to keep, but you're having problems breaking something, then we can give you different options to try to solve those when you have an axle problem. You know, it doesn't make sense to just change the axle out just to change it out, but when you have a problem and you need to change it out, we can put the axles, other axles underneath them. They fit just fine. There's no physical difference, just more mechanical difference. So if we can help you out, let us know.